What is success? The ability to work hard, to persevere, to sacrifice, to focus on goals with razor-sharp determination. Today, we celebrate the achievement of those students who worked hard with single-minded dedication and commitment to realize their dreams, despite the many obstacles that lay in their path.
Good morning and a warm welcome to our respected Principal Ma'am, Vice Principals, teachers, parents and our dear friends. With great pleasure, we cordially welcome you all to the Proficiency Award Ceremony of Session 2020-21.
Music is said to be the speech of angels. It possesses the power to enter the sacred corners of the heart and fill it with beauty, healing, peace, love and joy. It allows us to feel all the emotions that we experience in our lives. On this note, we invite the school choir to enthrall us with a beautiful song and to invoke within us feelings of well-being and harmony.
A positive attitude and a desire to make a difference. Her action inspires others to dream more, learn more, do more and become more. She is none other than our respected Principal Ma'am. May we now request her to address the audience with her encouraging words.
Congratulations and high commendations to all those who are getting felicitated today. This success comes because of series of wonderful things that you do. Shall I count them? I commend you for staying on course, for being responsible, in every class, in every activity that we do on a daily basis. that you set smart goals for yourself and you never wavered from the task at hand, that you were responsible and you brought creativity and thought into the classroom. Those are wonderful things, especially for children your age. Thank you, parents. It wouldn't have been possible without you, for you created enabling circumstances for our young learners. Thank you so much. For dear children, it's very important for me to share with you that those who have special ability of any kind have also a special responsibility. So ability comes with responsibility. Everyone else works for their own selves. So the goals are very clear. You want to study hard, you want to become something of yourself, you want to create better circumstances for yourself and your family. But remember, it is only these special people who also are capable of bringing a special change in the world around us. So you are supposed to lead us in research, you are supposed to lead us in creation, creativity, scientific thought, great learning, creating more literature, creating more jobs for other people, and that will happen when you have a few traits. The traits are never give up. Keep trying till you succeed. Be full of gratitude because this special abilities you're endowed with it. Hence, gratitude is of extreme importance. Learn to be givers because God has given you quite a bit. So share your good fortune, share your special ability with those who are less fortunate, and create a society that is equitable, respectful, and we are all on the path of success. So, while I celebrate with you, I am sure this special responsibility will keep you on course and focused for the rest of your school life. Thank you very much. God bless you, and please celebrate with your family this wonderful success and make success a habit. Thank you very much.
Thank you, ma'am, for your encouraging words. Leaders must be close enough to relate to others, but far enough ahead to motivate them. John C. Maxwell. A quote that fits well for our coordinator, Mrs. Shasta Kaman ma'am, who has been a great mentor and a guide. I would like to request her to address my dear friends.
Very rightly said by someone that the success is the result of hard work, perfection, learning from failure, loyalty, and persistence. I, Shaista Kamal, Coordinator of Class 2, Session 2021, full privilege to see my young minds prospering with flying colors. Children are like saplings. They need warmth and nourishment. I thank all parents who have been monitoring my students and guiding them to the accurate path. Children scoring 90% and above have been awarded proficiencies. I am very much delighted to announce that 96% students have achieved this target. There is always scope for betterment in every individual. Hence, we should always aspire to excel in field whatever we do. Many congratulations to all my proficiency holders. May you all soar high and touch the sky in your life.
Thank you, ma'am, for your valuable thoughts. Now, for the most exciting part of today's event, we would like to begin with announcing the names of our proud achievers from section A, B and C.
Imagine with all your mind, believe with all your heart, and achieve with all your might. Heartiest congratulations to all my extraordinary students and their supportive parents for conquering success in their first step. I wish that each one of you reach greater heights. I, CU Pavitra, HRT of Class 3A, proudly announce the names of the proficiency holders of Class 2A Session 2020-21.
Alia Malik, Aradhya Kuranga, Arush Shukla, Advait Rana, Ansh Chaudhary, Anshika Singh, Arhansh Gupta, Arindam Gogoi, Arshika Singh, Atharv Bajpai, Ayan Sharma, Bhavya Saini, Gaurika Rakesh Goyal, Kavish Mahajan, Khadija Fatima Hassan, M. Divya Pranavi, Mridul Agarwal, Naina Verma, Pakhi Bhatti, Paridhi Maurya, Prem Gaurika, Ryan Rajkumar, Sachi Vashisht, Samaira Nagpal, Shivraj Nagar, Shreya Maheshwari, Syed Shabir Zafar, Tejas Shukla, Tejas Tanay Kumar, Vaibhavi Sharma, Veronica Goyal, and Virat Rana.
There are no secrets to success. It is the result of preparation, hard work, and learning from failure. Hi everyone, I, Shalini Garg, HRT of Class 3B, congratulate all the proficiency holders of Class 2B for the session 2020-21 and feeling immensely proud in announcing their names. And the names are Veronica, Gautam Krishna, Adya Jha, Arav Gildhyal, Advik Arya, Agraj Jadon, Ahana Kumar, Amey Gupta, Arlika Panwar, Isha Yadav, Inaya Hussain, Ishita Tripathi, Jagrav Keshwani, Kashrik Malik, Puhu Agrawal, Levit Swami, Navya Nandini, Nivan Sharma, Nirvan Naman, Piyush Sharma, Sanav Jain, Shashank Gaur, Shivani Kaushik, Shivanshi Parida, Taure Kumar Singh, Varun Kumar, Yatharth Saini, Arnav Singh, Ayansh Vaishya, Yatharth Yadav, Dhairya Nagar, Madhav Sharma, and Rishika Singh.
May this success lead to a greater achievement in the years to come. The fruit of your hard work is sweet, and I must say you deserve it. I, Smita Pandey, HRT of Class 3rd C, takes this opportunity to congratulate and announce the proficiency holders of Class 2C for the session 2020-21. And the names are
Advik Bhattacharya,
आद्या भारद्वाज, आरना गुप्ता, आयाम, अद्वैत गर्ग, अद्विता बर्नवाल, ऐश्वर्यवर्धन श्रीवास्तव, अनिरुद्ध गुप्ता, अंशिका सिंह, अप्रतिम दुबे, अर्नव भाल, आर्यवीर सिंह राठौड़, आयान गुप्ता, आयांश चौधरी, दर्श कैंठोला, ध्रुवी मित्तल, दिवित गुप्ता, कार्तिक श्रीवास्तव, काव्या चौधरी, नभ्य नमन, नम्या पांडे, राघव शुक्ला, रियांशी गुप्ता, रौनक पुरी, सानवी भाटी, शिवांश कौशल, शौर्विक सिंह सेंगर, स्वयंप्रभा बिस्वाल, विहान सिंह, यश कुमार गुप्ता, युवराज सिंह बडेसरा, and Bhavin Srivastava. Thank you.
Parents are the world for children. Not to overlook that we are here joined by the wonderful parents who have raised the best students the school possesses. With immense admiration and affection, I welcome Mrs. Vinita Munga, representative parent, who has made efforts to join this ceremony.
Hello kids, a very warm welcome to all of you and heartiest congratulations for getting awarded for your hard work. You all are very fortunate to be taught by such excellent teachers who are carving the way for your future under the guidance of Principal Ma'am. Always believe that nothing is impossible and enjoy every phase of life. And you know what? This school phase is the best phase of life, which one cherish always. All the best and congratulations one more time. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you for being with us and motivating all my dear friends. Next, we have student awardees for sections D, E and F.
Hello everyone. I wish to appreciate the sincerity, dedication and commitment of each one of you to perform with excellence in this semester. You all have proven your abilities and talents. I, Monica Puri, HRT of class 3D, take immense pleasure to announce the name of the proficiency holder of session 2020-21.
Ahana Singh, Ashriya Tomar, Abhyuday Singh, Advait Singh, Agrita Mishra, Annie Pandey, Aryaman Pratap Singh, Avni Bhati, Ayush Bhati, Vishnupriya Behra, Darsh Pandey, Himani Sharma, ईशान गौर, जिज्ञासा चौहान, कार्तिकेय कुमार पांडे, काशवी गौर, कृधा श्रीवास्तवा, मनन महेश्वरी, मनस्वी राणा, मंजरी चक्रवर्ती, मेहर नेरोला, नित्या सक्सेना, पारिन गुप्ता, ओम प्रताप ठाकुर, पीहू गोयल, प्रद्युमन मिश्रा, राध्या शर्मा, रजत रस्तोगी, सारांश टंडन, शिवानी उपाध्याय, सिद्धि अग्रवाल, ट्रीजा, Vyan Kaushik and Vivan Sirohi. Thank you so much.
It is said, work hard in silence and let the success be your noise. Truly, the hard work you all students have put in the past has come to fruition today. It gives me immense joy as I, Vanashri Garge, HRT of 3E, congratulate and proudly announce the proficiency holders for the academic year 2020-21. Once again, congratulations, dear students.
आरल भारद्वाज, अद्वित्य वतन, अद्विका, आद्या कुशवा, अगस्त्य पराशर, अनिका गुप्ता, अर्णव भाटी, दर्श बहल, दर्शिका शर्मा, देव ऋषि, ध्रुव गर्ग, दिव्यांशी, गर्वित बघेल, गीत मित्तल, गोविंद त्रिपाठी, रिधान श्रीवास्तव, जानवी यादव, कुशाग्र पाठक, महक पांडे, नमित बंसल, राघव राज, राज्यवर्धन नारायण, रिधिमा श्रीवास्तव, रिदिप दयाल, समृद्ध जैन, शौर्य सिंह, शिवान सैनी, शैला सक्सेना, जैनब सिद्दीकी, विश्वेंद्र सिंह. Thank you.
Congratulations, my dear students. May your life always shower you with such great success and happiness. God bless you all. I, Pushpa Rawat, HRT of Class 3F, feel honored to announce the names of the proficiency holders of my class for the session 2020-21. Aradhya Sharma, Arav Suneja, Arna Roria, Abhimanyu Singh Bhati, Anmol, Aryan Bansal, Ashwik Nishan Goyal, Dhriti Mehanti, Dwij Mishra, Ekansh Divakar, Havya Singh, Ishan Goyal, Lakshay Kumar, Lily Gupta, Manav Chauhan, Meher Roop Singh, Nisa Thakur, Prakriti Kesri, Rananjay Pratap Singh, Saksham Sharma, Sankalp Kumar, Shaurya Prakash, Shaurya Singh, Shaurya Gupta, Shreya Mittal, Siddhant Sisodia, Suryansh Singh, Vaishnavi Singh, Vaishnavi Tewatia, Vedika Maurya, Viraj Singh, Vian Bhati, Yashashvi Katiyar.
Let me ask you a question. What do you do when you are sad, when the situation is too much to handle? Well, I for one listen to music, and before I know it, I am dancing. Dancing fills me with joy. So dear friends, put on your headphones, pump up the music and groove on the dance floor. With this foot tap and number coming next.
मरने का हम नहीं, देख जरा मेरा हौसला, मुझको डरा सके तुझ में वो दम नहीं, सुन ले जहां मेरा फैसला। ओ झुक ना पाऊंगा भले मिट जाऊंगा, झुक ना पाऊंगा भले मिट जाऊंगा।
That was a lovely performance. Next, we have student awardees from section GHI.
May today's success be the beginning of tomorrow's achievements. I, Shilpi Singh, HRT of class 3G, take this opportunity to congratulate and announce the name of proficiency holders of class 2G for the session 2020-21.
आदित्य अग्रवाल, आद्विक शर्मा, आरोही वर्मा, एकाक्ष पांडे, अनिकेत गुप्ता, अन्नपूर्णा भाटी, अंशिता सोनी, अंशुल गोगोय, अरिहान बहल, अथर्व राजपूत, अवनी भारद्वाज, भूमिका, ध्रुव कुमार, दीवा मोहंती, जागृव वर्मा, मनवे साध, मृणालिनी देवनाथ, निर्वाणा सिंह, परिधि शर्मा, प्रज्ञा, प्रत्यक्षा इसरानी, प्रियांशी शर्मा, रणवीर आहूजा, रिहान खोसला, रिद्धि सिसोदिया, शरण्या, शौर्य गुप्ता, शिवांश सिंह, श्रेष्ठ लोमर, सौमिल जाना, Suryansh and Vrinda Chaturvedi. Once again, congratulations to all the winners and thank you so much.
मंजिल उन्हीं को मिलती है जिनके सपनों में जान होती है। पंखों से कुछ नहीं होता, हौसलों से उड़ान होती है। I, Mridula Yadav, HRT of class 3H, congratulate all the students of 2H on achieving this significant milestone in the academic session of 2020-21. I appreciate your hard work and dedication. I feel immense pride in announcing the names of proficiency holders of class 2H. The names are
आशवी खट्टर, अनय आनंद मिश्रा, अर्नब चोंगर, अविका शर्मा, आयुष्मान सिंह छोकर, देव अग्रवाल, देव शर्मा, धान्या पांडे, एकलव्य कुमार, हृदयांश चौहान, इंद्रजीत, इप्सिता राय, ईशान मिश्रा, ख्याति सिंह, किशोरी पूनिया, ऋषभ दीवान, मोहम्मद रेहान, निहित चौहान, ओजस गर्ग, प्रत्यक्षा झा, ऋषभ राज, सानवी चंद्रा, साध्या कुंडू, सार्थक गर्ग, शिवम चतुर्वेदी, सौम्या सिंह, सूर्यांश वर्मा, तनुषा कुमार, त्रिषा शर्मा, and Vaibhav Nagar. Thank you.
Greetings everyone. I, Anita Mudgal, HRD of 3I, take the privilege to congratulate and announce the names of the proficiency holders of 2I for the session 2020-21. The names are Adrika Nigam, Ahan Bhargava, Ahil Khan, आन्या गर्ग, आद्या गुप्ता, आदित्य शर्मा, अनन्या सेन गुप्ता, अनिमेश सिंह, अर्नब भाटी, अथर सिंह दबोला, अभियुक्त अग्रवाल, धैर्य दिलीप, धैर्यश्री, जियांश गोयल, कनिष्का, लक्ष्य भाटी, मनन मनोदी, मनुश्री शर्मा, मायरा सिंह, मिशिका दास, नमन झाबे, नंदिनी सिंह परिहार, नव्या गोयल, ओंशी, सानवी श्रीवास्तव, सम्यक घोष, सोहम, त्रिशा सिंह, वैदिक ठाकुर, यशिका वर्मा, वेरोनिका मोहनानी. Thank you.
She is fierce. She is strong. A woman endowed with indomitable will. She has nurtured us, encouraged us to grow, helped us to succeed. May we now request our Vice Principal Ma'am, Mrs. Manju Verma, to address the audience.
Good evening to all of you. Namaskar. Confucius had rightly said that the most beautiful sight in the world is a little child going confidently down the road of life after you have shown him the way. We at DPS Greater Noida are resolved to provide the best of holistic opportunities to our children, to nurture them with compassion, care and love so they blossom as confident individuals with great thinking minds. The session 2020-21 had many new initiatives with a vision to strengthen the teaching learning process at the primary level. The syllabus planning was meticulously done by teachers with quantum statements and work statements to make learning organized and staggered. It helped the students also to pre-plan and organize their schedule. Benchmarking examination was conducted in science and maths, based on which enrichment classes are held to prepare children for competitive exams in the future. As per the learning gaps identified by teachers, focus classes were organized to develop conceptual clarity and confidence in the subject. Learning management system has been introduced that makes all students, all study material, chapter-wise, class-wise, accessible to a child through the school portal so that the children can learn at their own pace. For the next session, Teaching Fraternity is planning to introduce Mastery Assessment Technique, which follows the principles of teach, test, reteach, and retest to develop critical thinking in students. Our students have really done well in external competitive exams like IMO, NSO, IEO, etc. and won Medal of Excellence, Medals of Distinction, and many have got gold, silver, and bronze medals. Our youngsters have participated in various prestigious inter-school competitions like show and tell, storytelling, debates, character enactment, and techno attire contests. They have brought laurels to the schools by winning strategic positions and also bagging the overall winner's trophy. I would like to take this opportunity to congratulate all the achievers today and wish them all the good luck for the current session. Additionally, I would also like to thank the parent body for everything that has been possible because of their unstinted support and encouragement. Thank you very much. Once again, I congratulate all the winners today. Thank you so much. Namaskar.
Thank you, ma'am, for your words of wisdom. Last but not the least, names of achievers for sections J and K.
Do not chase success. Do what is required and success will come to you. Students of 3J, they did their best and achieved the proficiency awards. So I, Sushmita Singh, HRT of 3G, would like to present the proficiency awardees as follows.
Agastya Bhagra, Akash Singh, Amishi Goyal, Anand Singh, Anshu Bhardwaj, Anirudh Bhardwaj, Arjun Yadav, Atharv Kumar Sharan, Ayushi Chauhan, Elisha Mishra, Ishan Upadhyay, Jayesh Jain, Jia Shri, Krishna Yadav, Lavya Jindal, Madhav Bhati, Manasvi Singh, Manjri Sharma, Manya Bhati, Mayank Rawat, Natalia Naveen Kumar, Prakhar Gupta, Prisha Singh, Shaurya Chaudhary, Supriya Singh, Upmanyu Singh Solanki, Vaibhavi Kishore, Vanya Chaudhary, Vidushi Singh. Congratulations to all of you. Thank you.
Hello everyone. The difference between ordinary and extraordinary is that little extra effort. Students of class 3K who all have put in their little extra effort and proving themselves to be an extraordinary students of class 3K by holding the proficiency certificate of session 2020-21. I, Ritu Dhiman, HRT of 3K, feels proud to announce all the names, and they are
Anya Sharon, Arav Singh, Arav Yadav, Afan Maqsood, Atharv Srivastav, Aviral Saxena, Avyukt Singh, Dhruv Jindal, Hirdan Sharma, Kamakshi Bhatt, Lakshay Bharadwaj, Mikul Yadav, Naisha Yadav, Navreen Kaur Barar, Nishtha Singh, Nia Thakur, Pakhi Agarwal, Ranvijay Singh, Shaurya Mohan Khatri, Snigdha Prashant, Suhan Khaturia, Vaibhavi Sharma, Suryansh Singh, Tusya Kumar, Vihan Bhati, Yashvardhan Singh. God bless.
May we now request Shilpa Gupta ma'am to extend the vote of thanks.
There is no magic for achievement. It is purely hard work, dedication, and consistency. Good evening, one and all present here. It gives me immense pleasure to be a part of today's celebration and acknowledgement of academic excellence. I extend my heartfelt thanks to all the parents whose constant support, mainly emotional, has helped our children to achieve success in such difficult times. I also thank all my colleagues for their relentless efforts in guiding and motivating the students. I take this opportunity to thank our Vice Principal, Mr. Naren Singh, and Vice Principal, Ms. Manju Verma, for their continuous guidance and support throughout. I don't find words suitable enough to thank our leader, our beloved Principal Ma'am, whose unmatched vision, agility, and ability to excel in the unfamiliar circumstances has made it possible for us all, the teachers as well as the students, to stay focused and aligned even when the whole world was shaking. Thank you, ma'am, for being there. Thank you, everyone who has worked meticulously for today's program. I hope we have more reasons and numbers to celebrate in future. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, ma'am, for your precious words. There are no secrets to success. It is the result of preparation and hard work. So let's pledge to work hard. At the end, I would like to thank our respected principal ma'am, vice principals, teachers, students and their parents for joining us today. I request you to kindly rise for the national anthem.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उज्जल जलधि तरंगा तब शुभ नामे जागे तब शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तब जय गाथा जनगण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे